G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Now on the bench today we're going to feature another security camera. This was supplied by a company called COCOCAM. Okay, and what this is a 360 degree pan and tilt camera which runs on Wi-Fi, and you can get this on amazon.com.au, and I'll be leaving links in the description below for you guys to check out. This camera also boasts to have two-way communication, as well as some AI intelligent analysis and enhanced night vision features as well, with a 20-meter night vision range, as well as some extra AI features that you can unlock on the app with a paid subscription. So if you want to enable some of the more advanced AI features, you just have to pay a subscription fee for those. This is also compatible with Alexa as well as Google Assistant. So let's get it out of the box. I haven't actually looked at this camera yet. So first off, you can see we've got a little instruction booklet. It looks like we've got 4 different languages here, from English, Dutch, French, Italian and Spanish. Got a couple of QR codes there to their Facebook page as well as their YouTube channel, so you can scan those. And here is a spec sheet there, so if you want to pause the video you can have a look at that. We've got a couple of QR codes on this page for the app, the COCOCAM app, and basically the procedures on how to hook it up to the actual app as well. Okay, so here is the camera itself. As you can see on the back there is a speaker. We've also got another QR code there, as well as a C-type port. Okay, and on the side here we have the power button, reset button, and a place to put a micro SD card. On the front here we have the 2K resolution camera, and that would be the infrared sensor on the bottom there as well. Now, like I mentioned at the start of the video, this camera has a 355 degree range of motion with panning, and the camera itself can tilt up and down. Now, I'm not going to force it because it seems pretty stiff, but when you control the camera via the app, you'll be able to tilt it all the way up 90 degrees and down as well. Now, this camera boasts a 3 megapixel high quality 2K camera, and also can take still shots in 2304 by 1296 resolution. Now, the maximum size micro SD card that you can fit to this camera is up to 128 gigabytes. So that's a heap of storage for recording any videos or photos, as well as this camera boasts a large 5200 milliamp hour battery inbuilt, and you know that's going to give you hours and hours of constant surveillance. And last but not least, we get a C-type USB cable here, recharge that battery. So what I'm going to do now is download the COCOCAM app to my iPhone, and then we'll test out some of the features within that app and take some footage during the day as well as at night. Okay guys, well I've downloaded the COCOCAM app, and here's the layout of the app itself. Now if we go in the settings menu here, we can see the signal strength. I fully charged the battery overnight, so it's got pretty much a full battery. Got receive alert notifications just here. I've got motion detection, image settings, device sharing, and then you got an installation guide. You can just follow the prompts, okay, the do's and don'ts for installing the camera. I've just got it sitting on top of the al fresco roof. Okay, got local management, which I've set up. I've got it hooked up to my home Wi-Fi as well. Now when you set up the camera for the first time, okay, you want to open up the app, and then it'll give you some voice prompts. I didn't bother recording all that because I don't want this video to go too long, but basically once you open up the app, it will tell you to turn the camera on, and then you'll have to reset. There's a reset button on the side of the camera. It will tell you to reset it, and then it's just a matter of adding the actual model number of the camera. Now if you have problems doing that, you can also refer to the serial number, and manually type in the serial number of this Wi-Fi security camera, and you just basically add the device to the app, and it's as simple as that. Then it'll tell you which Wi-Fi router you want to connect the camera to, which is your home Wi-Fi. Type in your password for your home router. Of course, I'm not going to show that here, and you're good to go. So yeah, anyway guys, simple as that. Just follow the voice prompts to set up the camera for the first time. Now you got timer settings here. I'm just going to leave it as is. I'm not going to change any of these. Sound settings, set the speaker on or off, microphone, and record your voice. Speaker volume, you can set that all the way up. Okay, I might just turn the speaker off. There's no real need for that because there's a bit of wind noise around at the moment. Video encryption. Okay, go through there and read all that. Alright, and then you got your AI intelligent analysis page. Alright, so it can detect people, pets. Alright, I think these are ones that you may have to unlock with a subscription. Alright, and then you got battery management. Current battery 100%. Like I said, I charged it overnight. Schematics of charging, and yeah, a couple of graphs there to show you. Okay, so there's a bunch of options here. You can hook it up to Google Home, cloud storage. There's cloud storage there. Recording management, video switch functions. I've got no SD card in it at the moment, and we've got an update to the firmware as well, which I'm not going to do just yet, but you can upload that. Alright, okay, so let's go back and we'll go into the live feed, and I'll upload that later, not just yet. Here we go, there is a live feed. Okay, now you can set it to auto, HD mode as well. Alright, and we can start recording. I'll allow it to access, and there we go guys. We can bring the PTZ control up. As you can see, I've just got it on the top of the alfresco roof. Just pan around. This has got a 355 degree pan. You can see there, it goes all the way around. Okay, and then we can also tilt it upwards. See how far it goes up. It goes up that far. Let's bring it down. Okay, you can just see in the gutter there a little bit, but it did say 90 degree tilt. See if I can go. There we go. We're going in landscape mode. So yeah, pretty decent quality camera. There's my dog there doing the rounds of the yard. Let's have a look at her. What's she doing? You can zoom in. Just having a sniff around the yard there. Let's bring that up. Okay, so there's a window in the corner there. I think I took a snapshot just then. Start recording again. And we'll bring that up. Now you can actually set a siren on this as well. Okay, so I'm going to turn the speaker back on. Alright, I'm going back and we've got that siren function just going to walk out here pretty close to the camera. I'm going to activate that siren. So that works rather well. You can also talk through this camera. Press OK. Hello. Testing, testing. So I can hear it from the speaker, just standing not that far from the camera. So you've got your two-way talk feature there. So if you catch someone out, you can alert them that they can smile, they're on camera. So if I just tap the virtual stick there, you can see it is a little bit laggy, but seems to do the job rather well. You can zoom in once again. Pretty decent detail from the 2K camera. Now let's see if the motion detection works. I'll set it to pretty sensitive. I'm going to just walk past the camera. I'm just going to walk past the camera and we'll see if it actually starts recording. Okay, it gave me an alert message there. See that? Let's do that again. We've got another alert message. So it did pick me up. It only took a couple of seconds to send me a message. I'll go past. Okay, so here's a sample of the night footage. It's actually 12:30, so half an hour after midnight. You can see the timestamp there. And it's absolutely pitch dark outside. And you can see the mosquitoes flying around near the camera, again attracted to the infrared. The view of the backyard. Turn the camera up. Might be all the way up actually. Let's take a bit of recording. Wow. Is that orbs or is that mosquitoes? This looks like dust or orbs. A bit of activity happening. I don't know whether that's dust or bugs. Maybe mosquitoes. You can see it's pretty clear. Almost look like orbs. Yeah. Where's the let's turn on the speaker. Maybe turn the volume up on my phone. Can't hear anything. It's all the way up. That's as high as the camera will go. can even see the stars in the sky. Look at that. Check that out. So like I said, it's pitch dark outside. See if it picks me up on the push notification. Yep, straight away, there you go. Cool. Picked up my dog just there. Alright, so there you go. There's a demo of the free camera. There I am there. Alright. Seems like there's quite a few mosquitoes, so alright, that will be it. Head in. Gypsy, come on. Get inside. So there you have it, guys. That is the review on the COCOCAM 2K resolution security camera. I really like how it's got the pan and tilt function, and the price, guys. It's under 60 Australian dollars on the Amazon link, which will be posted in the description below. You can go check it out for yourself. Another plus for this camera is that it's got a really large capacity battery, which I like, 5,200 milliamp hours, and it's wireless. You don't have to hook it up to your power point like a previous camera that I've recently reviewed. So I really like that. It's a standalone unit. You can put it basically anywhere you can imagine around the house or in the yard, and have up to 24 hours surveillance on the go, especially with the push notifications to your phone for motion detection. Two-way audio as well. I really do like how it's got the 355-degree panning function. As far as the claimed 90-degree up and down tilt, I think more realistically it's got probably about a 45-degree angle tilt up and down. Definitely not 90 degrees. And as you can see, it takes really good quality 2K video during the day and in the evening. So anyway, guys, thanks very much for watching and sticking around to watch this review and testing of the COCOCAM wireless camera here. Alright guys, well thanks very much for watching once again, and I will catch you on the next video. Till then, have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.